NEET PG 2025 application process has started on April 17th. As the application window for NEET PG 2025 will remain open till May 7th only, candidates seek admission to PG courses need to hurry up and apply. This video of Shiksha brings you to the step-by-step procedure on how to fill the application form of NEET PG 2025. The first step is to visit the official website of NEET PG, which is nbe.edu.in, and select NEET PG on the home page. Click on the application link in the right side of the page, which leads you to the registration page. Before proceeding for the registration, candidates are advised to read the information brochure and image upload instructions carefully. Click on the registration link and fill details such as name, date of birth, email ID and mobile number. Provide two separate OTPs, one sent on your registered mobile number and another on your mail ID. After submission of OTPs and re-verification details, a registration ID and password will be sent on your registered mobile number and on your mail ID. Log in with registration ID and password and complete the application form where personal and academic details has to be filled. The next step is to upload documents as per the size and format mentioned in the information brochure. You have to upload documents include 2 photographs, scan image of signatures and thumb impression. The last and final step is the paying exam fee. You have to select different mode of online payments, net banking, credit card, debit card, Paytm and UPI. Select the payment gateway and proceed for payment. Once the payment is completed, you will receive an application confirmation notification on your mail ID. You are advised to take a printout of NEET PG application confirmation page and preserve it till the admission process gets over. Hope this video was useful. Like, share and subscribe the Shiksha YouTube channel for such more videos. Thank you.